In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the page title in WordPress. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you want to look for the plugins option on the menu. When you find it, hover your mouse over it. This action will reveal a sub-menu where you'll see the Add New option. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can install plugins. Now, in the search bar located at the top right of the page, type in Title Remover. This is a popular plugin that will make hiding your page titles a breeze. As you type Title Remover, WordPress will start filtering the available plugins and listing them for you. Scroll through the list until you find the plugin you're looking for. Once you find it, you'll notice an Install Now button right next to it. Click on that to install the plugin. Depending on your internet connection, this should only take a few seconds. After the installation is complete, you will see a new button labeled Activate. Click this to activate the Title Remover plugin. Activation ensures that the plugin starts working on your website. With the plugin activated, you're halfway there. Now it's time to choose the specific page from which you want the title hidden. To do this, navigate to the Pages section on your WordPress dashboard. Next, select All Pages. This will present you with a list of all the pages you currently have on your site. From this list, locate the page from which you wish to hide the title. Click on Edit for that particular page. You're now in the editing mode of the page. Here's a little tip for navigating through the options. Look for a settings icon or tab within the editor. It's usually placed somewhere on the upper right or left corner of your screen. Clicking this will bring up a side panel with more options. In this panel, search for an option that says Hide Title. It will be a simple checkbox. When you find it, go ahead and check this box. Checking it will command the plugin to hide the title of this specific page. This is the crucial step in the process. Once you've done that, make sure you click on the Save button to save all your changes. Saving ensures all the modifications are updated on your live site. To confirm that everything is set up correctly, click on the View icon to see a preview of your page in a new tab. The title should now be hidden, successfully completing this task. And there you have it, a simple way to keep those page titles out of sight using WordPress. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.